can you find your inbox on your Costco app? We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you on your Costco app. All you have to do, you just go down, click here on account down here, just click on it. When you just click on account here, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on inbox here, you just click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list. Here in your inbox, you will find all messages you have. I have nothing here, but if you have it, you will find it here in this list on your Costco app. So that's all you have to do. That's all. I wish you a great. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. So thank you for your watching.